Hey guys, James here, and I just want to leave a quick review for Saad Ali's Forex training that I'm currently a part of and going through. I got to say, before, I didn't really know much about Forex. I knew I wanted to do Forex, I just didn't know where to start. So once I found this program, I decided to jump in, and it's completely free, which blows my mind. But what I've learned from him is truly amazing. All the way from A to Z, he walks you through step by step how to do Forex. So first he teaches you how to set up your broker accounts, teaches you how to set up your TradingView charting accounts, and then just starts walking you through all about Forex, literally. How to read candlesticks, how to draw trend lines, how to draw channels, how to use Fibonacci retracements, and probably the best thing I love about his teaching style is, as you complete a module, he encourages you to mark it up on your own charts and then submit it for him to check it out. And after he checks it out, he'll get back to you with feedback of what you did wrong, maybe what you need to improve on. And that's huge. I don't think you can find that anywhere else, because that really helped me take action and follow through with the lessons, and really made sure I was learning the right way, because that's the biggest thing. You may be learning, but you could just be learning the wrong way. But I know by following him and getting his feedback that I'm learning the right way, and I'm able to move on to the next step, and it just snowballs. So after going through his training, at first I had no clue what I was looking at on the charts, but now I'm able to go through and draw trend lines, and spot candlestick patterns, and getting to the point where you can start trading and learning how to trade profitable. That's probably the huge thing there, is knowing what you're doing and how to trade to be profitable. So yeah, I just got to say thanks to him, and it's because of him I continue to learn and do this and go through his training. And I know it's just a matter of time before I can jump in there and start being successful, just like a lot of the members in there. So hope to see you in there. And again, just want to say thanks to Saad. All right, take care.